As a homemaker with a head full of small business ideas, you might find yourself holding back due to fear of failure. Now, that nagging worry about whether you're making the right choice, whether you'll succeed, or if you end up feeling or falling short can be overwhelming. But here's a crucial point to remember. Fear is a natural part of the journey. Overcoming it and embracing risk is crucial for achieving success in your small business. Hello, my name is Aneta Elisha-Oladejo. Welcome or welcome back to another intuitive episode on this platform. I am a homemaker according to the tenets of scriptures in Titus chapter 2, 3 to 5. I am the homemaker's personal growth coach and the blogger at Aneta Elisha-Oladejo.com. So in today's video, we will be discussing how homemakers and entrepreneurs can conquer, those fears and turn risk into stepping stones towards success. Now, before you focus on overcoming fears, of course, and embracing risk in your small business journey, let's take a moment to acknowledge those fears. It's perfectly normal to feel scared when you're venturing into the unknown, right? And starting a new business involves a lot of uncertainties, and it's okay to feel apprehensive for a bit, right? Let's talk about some common fears and how they impact us, especially as homemakers who are also entrepreneurs. Number one is, of course, the fear of failure. This is probably the biggest fear that many of us face. We often ask ourselves, what if the business doesn't succeed? What if it doesn't work? What if I make a mistake? What if I'm basically overthinking it? But here's the truth. Failure is not the end. It's a learning opportunity. So everyone makes mistakes, and every successful entrepreneur has faced failure at one point or the other, right? So the key here is to learn from those mistakes and use them basically as stepping stones. Now, instead of seeing failure as a setback, view it as a valuable experience that brings you closer to success. Now, each failure teaches you something new and helps you grow stronger. My biggest advice to you would be start small and start making, small manageable goals. That way, if something doesn't go as planned, it's just a small stumble rather than a big fall, right? So learn, adjust, and then move forward. Now, the next will be fear of the unknown. Not knowing what lies ahead can be really scary, but here is a different perspective. Every step you take is a chance to learn and grow. So think of your business journey as an adventure, basically. Yeah. There will be surprises along the way, definitely, but that's what makes it interesting. Keep a curious mindset. Approach each unknown situation with a willingness to learn. Ask questions, seek advice, and be open to new experiences. While you can't particularly predict everything, you can prepare for different scenarios, have a plan in place, and also be ready to adapt as new information comes in. Number three is the fear of success. Yes, the fear of success is real too. Sometimes we're afraid of the changes that will come with success, the increased responsibilities, the higher expectations, and the pressure to basically maintain that, right? Success brings its own set of challenges, but acknowledging this can help, you prepare for it. Understand that it's okay to feel the weight of responsibility. As your business grows, set boundaries to manage your time and energy. Balance is key to maintaining both your personal life and, of course, your homemaking and your business. So take time to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they might be. Recognize your achievements. This will help you build confidence and basically reduce the fear of future successes. Now, let's go on to how to basically embrace our fears. Take risk. This is a very integral part of any entrepreneurial journey. Now, without risk, there is no reward. But how can you embrace risk and use that to your advantage? Now, number one, take calculated risk. It's important to take calculated risk by researching, ensure that you are planning properly and preparing as much as possible. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump into a pool without knowing how deep it is, right? Do your research. Before making, a big decision, gather as much information as you can. Understand the market, understand your competition, and definitely understand your customers. Now, this helps you make very informed choices, and it will help you also outline the potential outcomes of your decision. What's the worst case scenario? I'm saying these are the thoughts that you should have. Now, by planning ahead, you can be better prepared for whatever comes your way. Even with the best planning, things might not go as expected. So be ready to adapt your strategy based on new, information and changing circumstances. And number 2 is learn from your mistakes. Every mistake is a learning curve, right? Instead of fearing mistakes, embrace them as a part of the process. Analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and move forward with more wisdom. After a setback, take some time to reflect on what happened, what went wrong, why did it go wrong. Now, understanding the root cause helps prevent similar mistakes in the future. Now, use the insights from your analysis to adjust your approach. Maybe you need to tweak your product, or change your marketing strategy, or improve your customer service, or something else, but you would only find that if you analyze where you failed. Not dwell on those mistakes. Now, once you've moved forward, once you have known them, move forward with confidence. Remember that every successful entrepreneur has faced setback, and what sets them apart is that they learn from it. Number 3, be flexible. The ability to be flexible is very important. The business landscape is ever changing, and flexibility to pivot is very necessary, right? You have to be open to new opportunities, keep up with industry trends and the changes in the market. Now, this will help you stay ahead of the curve and be proactive rather than, of course, reactive. Don't be afraid to try new things, whether it's a new product, a different marketing strategy, or just a new way of engaging with customers. Be open to exploring new possibilities. Sometimes your initial plan might not work out. That's okay. Be willing to pivot and try a different approach. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Number 4, build a support system. Now, running a small business can be challenging, and having, a strong support system will definitely make a lot of difference, especially as a homemaker. Now, you want to surround yourself with people that actually believe in you and your vision, and that can basically support your success and your well-being. Now, how do you build emotional support? You want to, number 1, seek out mentors and advisors who have been through the entrepreneurial journey themselves while keeping their homes, because they will be able to provide you invaluable insights and advice. Why are they important? Mentors have been there and done that, right? They face the same challenges and can offer guidance on how to navigate them. Their experience can help you avoid the common pitfalls that businesses experience and make better decisions. Advisors or mentors can also provide expertise in areas where you might lack knowledge, whether it's finance, marketing, or operations. They can help you develop, skills and strategies that are critical for business success. Now, you want to look for mentors within your niche and also within what you're doing. You can, network with them. You want to meet people who have been where you have been, or people who are currently working on that same journey, so that you can have a support system that will keep you together while you are going through your own journey. Now, connect with other small business owners as well. They will provide you support and inspiration. Share experience and learn from each other. This will help you basically realize that you're not in your struggles alone. And you want to participate in local business groups, online forums, or basically your niche specific, say, associations. Now, these groups are great for meeting like-minded entrepreneurs and sharing valuable insight. You can attend, workshops and meetups. Events like this create opportunities to network, learn from people who have gone ahead of you, and gain new perspective. Now, I'm going to use this opportunity to say, if you have not joined our community yet, please go ahead, because in this place, we're building a community of, homemakers or stay-home moms, right, that can support one another. No matter what, venture you're trying to do as a stay-home mom, you would have, great support with us. So if you have not subscribed, please do. And then do not forget to follow on all social media platforms and join the community so that we can emotionally support each other, right? okay? Your family and friends can also offer great encouragement and help keep you grounded during challenging times. So you want to be able to share your business journey with your spouse along, have family members in your corner, share your goals, your challenges, your achievements. The encouragement can boost your morale and keep you definitely motivated. Now, don't be afraid to ask for help when you do need it, whether it's, with watching the kids while you work on your business, or just lending an ear when you need to vent as well. Now, your loved ones trust me, are your greatest support system. Involve your families and your friends in your success, celebrate milestones with them and your achievements, basically. Take pride and joy in your accomplishments. It will make the journey very, very rewarding. Now, let's move on to the fifth way to embrace fear. Focus on the positive. Stay positive and motivated. This is very crucial for your success and well-being. Now, cultivating positivity, right, can keep your entrepreneurial spirit really high, especially for us homemakers, when we have to balance multiple roles and yet still somehow make business work. Right now, you want to start with number one, setting realistic goals. Realistic goals will help you stay motivated and focus on your progress. Now, you can break those goals into smaller, achievable steps instead of overwhelming yourself with a huge goal. Breaking down into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to launch a new product, break it down into market research, project development, and then marketing strategy for your product, right? Celebrate every milestone that you achieve, no matter how small, celebrate it. If you finish your market research, celebrate that, right? Every small step is worth celebrating. It will keep you motivated and definitely remind you that you are making progress. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but that's okay. Be willing to adjust your goals, right, and timelines as needed. Be flexible as well, because flexibility will help you stay positive and focused, even also, whether challenges arise or not. Another thing is to visualize your success. It will boost your confidence and your drive. Spend each day picturing how much your business is going to become successful. Create a vision board, visualize your goals, include images, put your quotes up, pin everything that represents your aspiration, right? Place it somewhere where you'll be able to see them daily and keep you inspired. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your success. Picture yourself achieving your goals and enjoying the rewards. Now, this practice can increase your confidence and motivation. And let me also say this, do the same thing for your children as well, right? Pin whatever you want to see in your kids in a few years on same vision board. And then, of course, use positive affirmations. And here I would say, speak over yourself. Tell yourself you are confident, you are successful, and definitely declare over your children as well that they will become successful. They'll be children taught of the Lord, and they will give you peace, right? So another one is to practice gratitude. Ensure that you are grateful for everywhere that you are. Whatever level you are in, be grateful. If you're a stay-at-home mom and you have the time to stay at home with your kids, be grateful for that. And if you have extra time to now handle a small business alongside, please be more grateful for that. Focus on the positives in your life all the time. It will help you counterbalance any fears or anxieties. Take time to acknowledge and appreciate what you've accomplished. Reflect on your progress and the hard work that you've put in. This recognition will boost your self-esteem and keep you motivated. Also, recognize and appreciate the support you receive from your family. Thank your friends. Be grateful to your husbands. All right. Be very grateful to the support system that reinforces your positive mindset, that reminds you that you're not alone on your journey. Now, let's break down some very practical steps to maintain a positive mindset and stay motivated as a homemaker and as a small business owner. Number one, you want to do daily reflection. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your achievements and visualizing, of course, your goals. This is a great way to start and end your day on a positive note. Number two, you want to set weekly goals. Set small, achievable goals for the week. Now, this helps you stay focused and gives you, regular opportunities to celebrate your success. Number three, three is surround yourself with positivity. Definitely, like I said earlier, ensure that you are playing uplifting music, get inspirational quotes, pinned everywhere, and of course, get a supportive community like ours. All right, it will create a very positive environment and a positive mindset in you that you can help grow. Lastly, is meditate on God's word. Now, you want to ensure that you are routinely keeping your relationship with God and meditating on His word, because at the end of the day, that is where you will draw strength from to stand no matter what is going wrong, right? So take time to ensure that you are staying on God's word, because that's the only way you build faith that will drive away fears. Now, as much as we say the fear of certain things are natural, you still want to be careful not to allow the spirit of fear take a grip over your mind. All right, and one of the ways that you can do that is combat that with faith, so that at the end of the day you would actually succeed. Now, understand that your journey is unique, and every risk you take is an opportunity to learn and succeed. So face the opportunities, embrace the risks that comes with it, and enjoy the exciting journey of entrepreneurship while keeping your home and your dreams definitely are within reach. With courage and determination, you can achieve very, very great things, I promise you. Thank you so much for watching this video if you're on YouTube, and for listening if you are listening via the podcast. Don't forget to like this episode and share it if you care to, and subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube as well. Now, if you're listening via podcast, please don't forget to follow, like, and drop a comment too. You can also find me on all social media platforms everywhere, at TikTok, Instagram, and also do not forget to keep growing as you keep your home, and ascribe all glory back to God for all of your testimonies, but little and small. Until the next episode, Godspeed. Success, as we know it, is the compounded effect of the everyday steps we take towards a main goal. One of the things that gives peace and mental clarity while homemaking is putting the emptiness season clearly before our eyes. Taking baby steps at the moment while still on the journey of making and keeping the home towards that season is an important aspect of self-care most people overlook. It strengthens the intentionality that goes into making every moment you have right now count. My blog, Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com, helps young women navigate their homemaking season in view of the empty nest phase. From ebooks to short courses on time management for homemakers to parenting, finances, and building small businesses while at home, there is plenty to keep you learning and growing while you create the warm, loving space that your family needs to thrive. I am also a local SEO specialist dedicated to helping small businesses like yours stand out in your community. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, you can employ my services to amplify your online presence. With 7 years of experience in search engine optimization, I know the ins and the outs of getting your business noticed online. You can book a free consultation or free Google Business Profile Page audit on Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com to get started today.